हेलो अंजलि।
हाय दी।
एक बात बता अंजलि, तेरे को स्विमिंग आती है?
दीदी ना आंदी। आपने बेरा वैसा राणा उनने ठाके में बड़े पूल में इसी फेंकी थी। आखिर मैंने पानी का नाम सुन दिया सुबह चढ़ जा है। अपनी बस की कोनी दीदी।
अंजलि तू तो फिर मेरे जैसी होगी। मैं क्या करा करूं, हम हॉलीडे पे भी चले जावे और स्विमिंग पूल पा जावे तो मैं अपने पान डुबो के बैठ जाया करूं।
क्यों
और
जीजी?
मेरे हस्बैंड कहेंगे भीतर बड़ले, मैं नहीं कहूंगी जी अपना तो वो हाल है, पग नावत तो जग नावत।
सही कहे जीजी, आई कैन टोटली फील यू। पर बेबे प्रीति, जया बात से तो इब अपनी दाल ना गले, क्योंकि ईब जाव है वो सेशन लेंगी स्विमिंग की चैंपियन। वो आज ले।
So friends, coming up next session is with amazing, beautiful girls of swimming from Rai who will be sharing their fond memories of late Mr. Chikara, who was their guru, mentor, friend, a philosopher, and guide.
Good evening, everybody. This is going to be a very exciting and very nice interaction between us, we ex-Rice swimmers. We're here to celebrate the Ex-Rice Day 2020 with all of you, with our memories, going down memory lane of our times in Rai together with our coach, Mr. Chikara, with each other and the chemistry and the bond that we've shared through the years. So, we want to celebrate this with you. Cheers to all of you and to my girls.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Cheers.
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 Thank you all for making it today. I think it's going to be really nice for us to spend this time. We always meet up physically, and whenever anyone's in someone else's town, and we have so many such get-togethers, we swimmers. So it's nice to now meet here online and again relive our memories. So Shabidi, I would like to start by introducing you, our ever-friendly extrovert, very helpful Shabidi. I remember, my earliest memories of you are in your room on Sunday night, listening to English music, the requests. You were really sweet to let us little juniors sit around you on the bed, listening to all the music and enjoying that time. And really, I think the loss of Chandigarh has been the gain of the south of Hyderabad, closer to me. Now a professor at IMT. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen her in your own cities because Shabiti is such an avid traveler. And the best thing is she goes to a city and she gets all the rice of that city to have a get together to celebrate life and to celebrate Shabiti.
Thank you so much for such
Well
a
said.
lovely Surbi. Okay, here's another Punjabi Kuri from Soma House, the gorgeous Shalini Malhotra Dhaiya, married to another Rice, my classmate and friend Rajiv Dhaiya. Back then, she was a day scholar, always looking for an opportunity to come and spend time with us in the hostel. हमारे लिए बहुत सारे goodies आते थे खाने पीने के, and always good fun then, and even more now. Hi,
Wow.
Shab.
Thank you, Shakti. Once
Yeah.
bonded, forever bonded with my Rai girls.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to introduce Aarti Dahiya. She was a fashionista, ever smiling, a girl very conscious of her hair. She used to carry hair dryer even in the swimming girls' changing room. So welcome, Aarti.
What a lovely introduction, Shalu. Thank you so much. And I take pleasure in introducing to you Swati Ghan, my batchmate from Soma House. Very friendly person, full of confidence, oof of too much of confidence. I mean, I am totally wordless describing her strengths. Over to you, Swati.
Thank you so much, Aarti. Thank you. I'm going to speak about a girl with lovely pearly teeth. That's my first memory of her, and of course, her lovely smile. And it's only later that I realized that the smile is one part, but her absolute weakness of falling apart while laughing came later. So even if you did little like this to Ruchika, she would be on the floor laughing. There she goes.
There she goes.
Thank you so much, Swati. That was a wonderful introduction. I had a hearty laugh. Okay, there I go. Somebody bright-eyed and always positive. Sometimes a scatterbrain by her own admission. A Jatni by strength. A doctor by profession. A breaststroker. That's our very own Madhudi, fondly remembered as Chikidi. Chikidi, I remember your tomato chutney that you used to get for the summer camps. Love you. Cheers.
Always a darling, Ruchika, always a darling. Our darling Ruchika. So, my memories about a girl was when she walked into Rai, she had 2 huge suitcases standing there so lost from an elite school in Bangalore all the way to Haryana, Rai. And I was wondering how she's going to survive this school. And she not only survived, she became a rock star. Surbhi, that's to you. You always.
Hey, Surbhi.
Yes, Surbhi, our very own Surbhi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Madhuri. I think I not just survived school, I thrived thanks to school and thanks to all of you who really motivated me and made me who I am today. So cheers to all of us.
Cheers, cheers.
Guys, I think Shalu had made a video of our memories right from school of us together and through the years of us meeting up, and really it shows a lot of our bonding. So can we have the video played, please?
Wow. Wow, very well done.
Oh, amazing.
Amazing, amazing.
Shalu?
Amazing, huh? To see all of us, meeting at different times and in school.
That's nostalgic.
Absolutely,
Lovely.
absolutely. I think that a common thread between all of us, and I'd like us to dedicate the next section also to this wonderful person, our guru, friend, mentor, guide, philosopher, a life taken too soon. In our Varuna house, our school song was had a line that I always, when I still hum it, I am, Varuna, once Varuna, always, I must say that. It said, Guru Jano ke aadhar ka ho maa baap se bhi uncha maan. And really, that is who and how I feel, and I think all of us do, of Mr. Chikara. So let's spend the next section discussing our reminiscing our memories. Kuch khati, kuch meethi, but all great memories. Shabidi, would you like to start?
Yeah, sure. So we all, if you remember, we all enjoyed such a sweet love-hate relationship with Mr. Chikara. While at the swimming pool, he was an absolute hard taskmaster, but he also had this loving side to him. He would go out of his way to make us feel comfortable, arrange for those extra and special diets. And coming to training, he was always ahead of time. The techniques that we talk about today, like HIIT and resistance training, he was practicing all of that at that time on us. If you all remember those 15 to 50s, hard and slow, that was nothing but HIIT. And then, not to forget that resistance training thing, he used to make us wear those belts around our waists to make it heavy for us, and we used to practice with those 20 kgs and 25 kgs on our...
I would like to add to that. I think what you rightly said, he used to look for our latent talent, and try and really match that with different water sports. Kisi ko synchronized swimming mein dala, kisi ko kayaking mein dala, and of course, hamari Ruchika ko driver bana rahe the, hai na Ruchika?
Oh, I remember that episode. So this national level diver, Shalu Khan, if you remember, had joined the team. So, one afternoon he made all of us, go to the diving board and try jumping. So everybody's having a good time. I am so scared of, looking down. It's like I stand there on the 3-meter diving board and he's like, jump. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to jump. And 3 hours I kept standing there in the sun, literally crying. And he's like, "Seediyon se to niche jayegi nahi, jayegi to you'll have to jump." After 3 hours, he held me by my arms and he threw me in the water, literally threw me. So, God, that was something.
So, Ruchika, I think tere perseverance of not wanting to be a diver to hara diya Mr. Chikara ko. But I have a different story of perseverance that I learned from him. So whether it was the famous danda or the way he was, I remember the first time that I did my 50 meters without holding onto the wall. And it was morning games and everybody had got out of the pool, but I still carried on. And I didn't hear his famous whistle. I said, "Jab tak bajate nahi hai, let me keep swimming." And the minute I touched 50 meters without holding onto the wall, there he was with Mr. Gulab Singh clapping. And he said, "Aaj mujhe kuch zarur bol raha tha that tu bina touch kiye 50 meters karegi." So isliye maine ek aur baar whistle bajayi nahi and I just let you swim. So that perseverance, it was there and it has stayed with me till now.
Wow, very well said. We really couldn't be makaras, do you remember? I mean, he was so watchful. None of us could do that. And I remember those road rolls, we used to be doing as punishments, and we used to have our elbows and knees all peeled up and bandaged up. And what I can say that it made us to learn more endurance, which we all have learned the hard way.
Right. I think Shalu was talking about also learning a lot from Mr. Chikara, right?
Yeah, I think all the life skills which you talked of, one of the knack which I acquired from Mr. Chikara and by observing him every day, that was about his body language. The moment he used to touch his mustache, I would know that he's livid and he would come back strongly onto all of us. And that was kind of a trigger and a hint that the punishment is coming. So,
not just that. The moment he spoke in English, we knew that indication about mood.
Yes.
Shalu diving board pe chad jati thi. Shalu would go on to the diving board to see if he's gone somewhere. She would see, aa rahe, and yeah, that was a clue to me to hide the stick, Father. And so I remember hiding that stick once, I mean, a couple of times I've done that, and then he was really angry once. And he said, stick kisne chupai, and everybody looked at me. I couldn't stop laughing. And he was very angry. He said, aaj stick nahi hai to sabko thappad padenge.
I remember.
Madhuti, when the going gets tough,
I
we
know.
also get tough.
The tough
Yeah,
gets
the
going.
tough gets going.
Gets going. True.
Yeah.
Then
पर
he
थप्पड़ से बच रहे थे मधु वो तो बता.
Yeah, and I was in line and I was like, sir, please, मुझे मत मारो, मैं अभी भी braces लगा के आई हूँ. And
Like all of us.
laugh. And
I remember that day so clearly.
very humane of him and very sweet and loving of him. And just to put it in, there were two Mr. Chikaras who were our swimming coaches, and we are talking about Mr. M.S. Chikara. And the other Mr. Chikara was his younger brother who came in after we all left, probably, or most of us.
Some of us were there.
Yeah.
We were there.
Ruchika,
And you are Madhu Chikara.
Kara,
And I, father's name and his name was the same, so people used to think I'm his daughter. And
He was partial towards you. He liked you so much.
yeah,
He was the one.
You were a scapegoat, Madhu. You were a scapegoat for us.
Absolutely. I would
He was
agree.
the one who first called you mad.
yes, he was the one. He was the one. Yes.
Yeah.
Lady man.
What memories are Shabba?
Ruchika, तूने backstroke भी start कर ली थी. I know you weren't a backstroker
Oh,
initially.
there's a story behind it. So, that was the time we were shown this movie on a Saturday evening called Piranha. So in this movie, these fishes come and, they eat and they kill, people. So every time, after that movie, we went into the pool, and the moment we, saw into the water, we all kind of got scared thinking, the piranhas are going to come from here, there. So just to,
Sometimes I think
overcome
it's a
that fear,
crocodile behind
exactly. So to overcome that fear, I told sir, I am going to do backstroke now. So he's like, okay, try. So at least for next 2 months or so, I kept doing backstroke because I was so scared that piranhas are going to come. So after 2 months, he's like, "Ab to tu individual medley kar, do all strokes. Now you're good at it."
So you acquired another skill. I remember the Piranha
Absolutely.
movie was, I think, shown to you all just a week before I joined. So मुझे वो डर नहीं था, but I used to see कि ये क्या हुआ. But guys, I think for me, my main event was the special diet. The special diet where these bhaiyas used to give us कि कितना भी खाओ खा लो. And I used to eat आटा समोसे खाती थी, cutlets खाती थी. बड़े मजे आते थे in doing
Who
that.
had a
Special diet से याद आया, there was this special diet which was given to a few of us, and we used to have we were supposed to go to KNS mess to have it, and we used to show it off as if it is a very, very special diet, but all we got was actually boiled vegetables.
Kana.
Boiled vegetables with boiled eggs.
But Shabby,
land.
boiled vegetables, I think the lovely, delicious aloo puris that we used to get on Saturday afternoons after that ragda at Talkatora
Talkatora.
were just too delicious. I think, he was so special. He pulled so many strings to have a special bus for us every Saturday, exposing us to this international arena and the facilities at Talkatora, which was just too awesome. Of course, tel bahut nikalte the wahan pe. And to come back to Shabby's diet, what she mentioned, I think those aloo puris were most delicious after that.
Yummy, absolutely yummy.
Those
And then Swati, don't you remember that, after having those yummy aloo puris on the way back to school, we used to stop over at Mohan Singh Place and a
Yes.
45-minute stopover. And
Shopping.
we used to, bit of shopping and binging on eating too, some sweets, some goodies and candies.
Yeah.
Can't forget. That was the highlight actually coming back.
10 rupees ka t-shirt. Remember, Shabnam Didi?
Yes.
Janpat.
best shopping. Not to forget the NDRI shopping. Whenever we used to go to Karnal,
Oh, yes.
Yes.
yeah, he made it a point that we stop there, buy some kheer, And whey.
Ice creams.
Ice creams.
Gulab
Ice
jamun.
cream and those shakes.
Guys, looks
Yes.
like our main event really was khana, huh? कहीं पर भी
All the time
पंजाब
खाना
में
because
हो,
हम इतना
दिल्ली
burn
में
करते
हो,
थे.
स्कूल में हो या मूर्थल में हो.
हाँ. Because he used to make us burn the extra calories off anyway.
He used
Yes.
to be it in swimming or I think even in baseball, right, Madhu Didi?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, his innovations, you know. So he introduced this game of baseball to us, and it was not the regular bat ball baseball. We played with football.
That was a winter special. Winter
Yeah,
special.
special.
And I remember the opposite team could not dare win, because if the team that there was not on, and if they won, then we've all had it. So we used to make
Yes.
Yeah. Then you would go like this.
But
Yeah.
guys, on a serious note, I think I have to say, I mean, you know, he showed us all of this, but the trait of his that really stood out was that of trust and integrity. You know, for my mom to you know, drop me 2,500 kilometers from home where we knew no one, just with a 10-minute talk with him, and she knew that he was the one. I had to coach under him. So, you know, that is what he really displayed. And, you know, that was the energy that he gave out to all.
That speaks volumes. That speaks volumes.
Absolutely. I think even the non-swimmers have a lot of their stories of Mr. Chikara that they, you know, really remember very fondly. पीटे भी होंगे उनसे, पर फिर भी, you know, yeah, but the memories are all really great.
True.
You know,
Yeah.
I mean, saying that, so swimming is a individual sport, and you know, we all swam our own races and did how we did. But हमें swimming ने बहुत teamwork भी सिखाया, हाँ? Chabi
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Shabby Di.
Teamwork and it made us so strong that we could also think of taking a panga with Mr. Chikara. Once
under your guidance, huh? Under your guidance.
summer camp ke time pe, one fine day we all decided we'll bunk the swimming practice in the evening, and we actually did that. And 15-20 minute baad sir ne kisi ko bheja, some boy, I don't remember who was that. He came to look for us, and then we were all taken there. And besides the usual scolding that we got, I think all of you remember the extra drill that we got.
Kaliya. I remember the Kaliya.
Yeah.
For whole of
I remember bruises here.
we couldn't walk straight.
Our heads were also bruised up.
Yeah.
We came to know about
front rows.
the body which was existing, you know.
पंगा
It was
भी
so
लिया
bad.
अपने sir के साथ.
Panga liya tha.
Not the wrong type.
He used to
Get in
pamper
trouble
us
again.
also equally, but he was a hard taskmaster, yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Totally.
Pampering only in eating, huh? Binging. Shalu, remember NDRI?
Shopping also.
I think that covers up.
So, you
Eating is our favorite sport also.
True. So, you know, okay, I mean, I think we share a lot of great memories of Mr. Chikara and our times, you know, at the pool and off the pool as well, having a good time. And, you know, he made us so physically fit that, you know, we
Yes.
pursued some kind of fitness in our lives after that.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Physical. अब मुझे देखना है कि आप सब mentally उतने ही fit हो या, you know,
Hey, Baba, hey.
हैं.
Sweetie, you can try us out.
Very
You can
fit.
try us out.
That's the challenge then. That's the challenge.
Yes.
And I'm going to start a rapid fire. I'm going to ask each of you in that format. I'm going to ask each of you a question. And जो भी आए आपको जल्दी से बोलना है, okay? I wanna
Easy पूछना. Easy पूछना.
Right.
बड़ी easy question. Yeah, हमारी life में complicated था,
I'm scared.
complicated था.
Never.
हाँ, आप scared हो, मैं आपके साथ ही start करती हूँ, शाबी दी. So, okay, can you share a compliment that, you know, you got girls से नहीं, boys से कोई अच्छा सा compliment जो आपको regularly मिलता था?
Shabby Di.
Yeah.
प्यार से boys इन्हें शब्बो बुलाते थे.
Oy, oy.
You know, I still have heard boys call her that. Shabbo darling.
Yeah,
Good darling.
क्या बात है?
She is our Shabo darling, right? She'll always
Shabo
say that. way.
Yes, she
Yeah.
is Shabo darling.
Ruchika,
So sweet.
my
Yeah.
next question is to you. So, if you had to relive school life again, what's the one thing that you would do again and again?
Okay, I would love to go to Murthal to have those parathas again and again.
We'll all
Me
join
too, me
that
too.
one next time.
Let's all of us go.
Yeah.
Swimming
All-
memories or khana? Very
Khana.
interesting.
Yes.
That's a good one. Shalu, so we know that you're this amazing singer. We didn't know it during school time so much as we know it now. Is there any other skill of yours, a talent that you've hidden from us? Bata?
Not quite. We are too close and we keep discussing. I think that knack which I developed during my Rai days to pick up on the body language helps me today too in choosing my company and other indulgences. So, and I thank you.
Wow.
Guys, we need to get together after this to hear
Absolutely.
about
Absolutely.
The hidden talent.
Hidden talent.
Hidden
We
talent.
need to learn from that.
Censored.
Yeah.
No, but Shalu will grace our occasion and teach us.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, Aarti, actually, we need to learn something from you. So my next question is going to be to you.
Wow. All right.
Our golden girl, through school. In school, we used to call you the blondie, the golden girl. And how do you manage that in school?
I have no idea, honey. Trust me, I think I was maybe blessed to be born like that. And if you see it now, it was then there, and I still carry it off very well now. And maybe with loads of confidence. Yeah, and I owe it to you all pretty girls I grew up with. So all of you have rubbed on me
That's
and
you being humble.
made me what I am. Trust
That's you being humble again. But I completely agree with you. You were a golden girl, and you still are. You'll continue to be. Great.
Thank you.
Blondie.
Absolutely.
Blondie.
Well,
Cheers to that, girls.
Cheers to that.
Yeah.
Madhudi, to you, I want to ask, can you talk of one incident in school that really, you've been there since first grade, right? So through the years, one incident that really makes you you, and you can't forget.
See, swimming makes me me, and I would like to talk about something that made me take up this sport for my life. And I was in 2nd or 3rd grade, and there was this competition, inter-house competition, and we had to cross the width of this chota baby pool, and we all
The
were
25-meter one.
नहीं chota. The baby pool.
छोटा वाला pool की width cross करनी थी. And so we had to do that, and I was obviously in their house. The Surbis made us all wear blue. Okay, so we had to cross that, and I remember people cheering for me because I was winning that race. And there was this bhaiya, 44 bhaiya, I still don't know his name. And he was so excited when I won that he jumped into the pool with all his clothes on. And so he felt great.
I know such incident.
Cheers to him. And that made me pick up swimming. And I am, who I am today because of that. So
Unbelievable memories, Madhu.
But who is this
Grade 2 and
44
3?
bhaiya? I want to know now.
All of us want to know.
First to the other who got you into swimming, and so
44 bhaiya. Okay, cheers to 44 bhaiya.
Yes, cheers to 44 bhaiya. I'm sure he'll be having some hiccups now.
So Swati, my last question is to you. In the previous segment, you were talking about how Mr. Chikara really influenced your life. You got that never say die attitude from him. Is there any other swimmer, boy or girl, who really influenced you?
There are many, Surbhi, but I'd like to speak about my best friend then and my best friend now, our very own Jassi. Jassi koi nahi. one particular incident that I remember was at a state level where I beat her at 200 butter event. Of course, 200 butter is a very, very difficult thing to do. And how that happened, I wonder. But I beat her that day. And that memory is so bittersweet and an amazing experience that has stayed with me always. Beating your best friend, a very different experience back then in school. So yeah, that's one good memory.
Great, great. And that was Jassi, she had that raw Sadarni wala strength.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
she could
Yes.
just so beating her is definitely a feather in your cap. So congratulations there.
Yes.
Guys, I see that
we
you
are-
are very,
we
very
She used to help the mangoes with
true. I see that you all are mentally very, very
Saying something.
I said she used to have the mangoes with the peels. And that was her
Wow.
knack.
Yes.
true.
Yes.
True.
Amazing.
Chalu and her food.
Guys, we'll wrap up this session. It was really nice having this interaction with you all.
Wait. How can you go?
Yeah.
No,
Surabhi,
somebody has passed her.
Absolutely. You have questions, Surabhi. We have to ask you.
हाँ.
I thought
सुरभि
I could-
ऐसे नहीं जा सकते.
चलो पूछ लो।
पूछो.
कुछ लाइनें जाटू की बोले.
जाटू।
Oh, Chatu.
सबको भैया दीदी बोलती हो, कोई ऐसा है जिसको तुम
Yeah.
भैया बोलती हो?
Okay. Sorry. Surabhi, you have to name one person who you do not call bhaiya and in girls who you do not call didi.
क्योंकि मैं दीदी बोलती नहीं हूँ. आरती, स्वाति, there's so many. Ruchika is my classmate. I have to call Madhudi and Shabidi. I have to give them that respect. I do. I call boys.
मेरा नाम ले ले.
You're right. पर अगर तुम देखो चालू, तेरे क्लासमेट्स में मेरे इन स्कूल मेरे 3 राखी भैया थे, सारे तेरे क्लासमेट्स 3
1000 थे यार.
Thousands say, wow.
तीनों को छोड़ के मैं किसी को भैया नहीं बुलाती, स्पेशली तेरे बैच में. हाँ, तो
चलो मान लिया. अच्छा, अब I remember one thing very vividly about you, that you were in love with the Haryanvi culture and the way you used to speak those 4 lines in Jattu. Please repeat them.
सुना दे सुरभि, सुना दे.
अरे वाह वाह.
चालू क्या बोल रही है तू छोरी? 4 लाइन्स? मैं 4 लाइन्स से ज्यादा बोलती हूँ.
बोलना फिर रैप्टा मारना.
Go on.
ये कारण लग रही है सालू.
Hey.
तो रैप्टा मारोगी, नाक सड़क बाहर आवेगा, तेरा ड्रिंक भी बाहर आवेगा.
देखा, मैंने कहा था ये छोरी कसूती से.
Guys, me from Bangalore, who can speak like Kannada and speaking Jattu, I'm sure you girls can also contribute some Jattu, na? So,
Yeah.
कुछ बोलो?
Okay. I can speak one line. Okay.
बोलो.
So it goes, तितर जाने तितर की, और मैं जानू तेरे भीतर की.
आई शैबी, तू नहीं जानेगी तो और कौन जानेगा भीतर?
I know.
हाय.
सबके भीतर की जाने से.
अरे well done Shabo darling.
Aarti, what about you?
अरे घड़ी मार लाग रही है.
आरती गंडा सा लाग रहे से हम सबको तो माली है.
और एक और भी है, घड़े माचे ना.
अरे आरती,
So good.
this is something which I was going to say. आरती, घड़ी माचे ना, ये एक लाइन मुझे आती थी, but मुझे एक और याद आया. यो तो नाट गई.
क्या?
Come again.
यो तो नाट गई.
नाट गई.
यो तो नाट गई.
Okay, I do remember, something from my Rai days. It was something like, क्यों अंडी पाक रहे है? तेरे के खाज हो रही है.
हाय. देखो, अंडी तो सारे राय वाले पाकते हैं. बाहर चाहे राय में चाहे घर में आंटी तो बहुत पाकते हैं।
सालू एक तू बोल ना।
मैंने बोला ना भाई, सारी कसूती छोरी से, इससे अच्छा मैं क्या बोलूं।
अरे छा गई शालू, छा गई।
Madhudi, have you said?
Yes.
Shalu is enough to say kasuti and gandasa and mal and everything. You're all worth it, yeah.
I'm an expert in Jattu, I must say.
Of girl child of Haryana and shining so brightly. Beautiful. So guys, thank you so much. Had such a great time, and reliving all our memories over the years. So, just one more toast to our school.
And a happy X-Rise Day.
Happy X-Rise Day, girls.
Happy X-Rise Day, girls.
And toast to all of you and life.
Happy to
And I love to Sonam Gandhi.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, our love for Sonam. Sonam, Soni, you rock.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, it's just like, we're having a nice get-together Zoom party and we're all talking, or you can give it that kind of a thing. They say, oh yeah, cheers to Mrs. Chikara, something like that you could add, and keep it very, very lively in that sense,
Going for it. कोई शाम का समय रखते हैं, एक बार और practice करते हैं और record करते हैं.
We practice now once, and then we can decide. But tell me when you want to do the final. नहीं, recording नहीं. We'll just do the practice.
हाँ, अभी तो practice मुझे तो बता रहा हूँ, कल तुमने कुछ
we'll do the practice one now. But when do you?
ये अभी जरूरी करना है क्या?
हाँ, बहुत करना है. Everyone is here right now. So
Sunday evening is also not far.
चलिए यार,
मेरे को
Roto है.
फ्लाइट है.
Shabby, you have to leave at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, the driver will come here. I have to pack my things.
Okay, no, we're here till 3:30 only. Even I've got a meeting to go for.
Only till 3:30, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I.
प्यार से boys मुझे शब्बो बुलाते थे.
Oh God.
बुलाते थे नहीं, अभी भी बुलाते हैं. I've heard. Oh, darling.
I was शब्बो.
I can imagine that, Jassi had that raw Sadarni wala strength, and to be able to beat her, it has to be a real big feather in your cap.
Yes,
तुमने नाम नहीं खाया होगा.
हो सकता है. So guys, we've come to the end of the rapid fire question round, and I don't think Shalu wants to ask me a question.
Hey, I want to. Come on. Is there anybody in boys or anybody in girls who you do not call as Bhaiya and Didi?
Okay. No, say it again. Sorry, I wasn't prepared.
Okay, Surbi, इसी note पे एक dialogue जाटू में बोल के सुना दे. I'm dying to hear that again.
Hey, क्या कारण लाग रही है सालू?
Hey, you're Salu.
Or Salu, I'm saying no. See, they don't say sure so well. Okay, come on, let's be honest. Salu बोल देंगे तो क्या हुआ? क्या फर्क पड़ा?
आरती तुम्हें तो
क्या फर्क पड़ा?
है ही
क्या फर्क पड़ा बता?
भाई का सूती.
हमारी सहेली शालू यार.
हाँ.
हमारी शालू.
हमारी शालू, पर उनके लिए तो सालू ही हुई ना. ध्यान से सालू बोले ना.
Sorry.
Salini.
गणी माल लग रही से.
I thought she'll ask us all to speak.